In this video, I'll show you how to activate new phone with old SIM card on Metropcs. Firstly, turn off your phone and use a SIM ejector tool for a small paper clip to open the SIM tray. Insert your Metro by T-Mobile SIM card into the correct slot and turn on your phone and wait for the network signal to appear. Now, have a compatible phone and Metro SIM card ready and pick a rate plan and be prepared to pay the first month. Use a valid email address and decide if you want to keep your number or get a new one. Now, go to the Metro by T-Mobile activation website and enter your phone's unique ID number and input your Metro SIM card number. Select your plan and payment method, then follow the on-screen to complete the activation. And that's it. In this video, I will show you how to set up Wi-Fi repeater.